We are here to discuss and show you Arduino Uno using water level sensor. But before we proceed, let me introduce myself and my groupmates. I am Cassandra Villacruel and my groupmates are Brian Blas, Jomer Avenido, Jake Royce Abrenica, Kier Balatbat, Kathleen Tolentino, and Christine Millera.
Ito po yung example number 1 for the water level sensor. Gagamitin lang po natin yung serial monitoring from the Arduino Uno IDE to see if our water level sensor is providing an output reading.
Ito po yung example number 2 for the water level sensor. The light will change its brightness based on the water level na detect ng ating sensor.
Arduino water level example to process.
This is the first exercise on Arduino Uno using water level sensor. Based sa instructions, there will be 3 LED lights which indicates na ang green LED will be the lowest water level, yellow will be the medium, and red will signify highest water level. Later on, we will show the output for this diagram.
Now I will show you the components or materials that we need for our water sensor exercise. And just like in our past exercises, we need to use the Arduino, the breadboard, the jumper wires, resistors, LEDs, and especially the water sensor, which is used to detect the water levels in our program.
Watch closely to the water sensor and to the LED lights.
Good day, sir. I am here to discuss the water sensor code for our water sensor activity. These lines of codes are the initialization for the LED and water sensor we use. And our group used the void loop for the water level detection. And we have used the if-else statement. If water level is less than 270, it indicates that the water level is low, and only the green LED will light. Else if water level is greater than or equal to 270 and water level is less than 300, it indicates that the water level is medium, and only the yellow LED will light. And lastly, the else indicates that the water level is high, and only the red LED will light. And our group used the delay 1000 for the time that the LED will change lights. Thank you.
So, here is the example number 3 for the water level sensor na may kasama na siyang LCD. The sensor will detect the water level and now yung LCD na yung magpapakita ng ating output.
Now, I will show you the main components that we need for our next exercise, which is the water sensor with the use of LCDs. And the materials that we need is the Arduino, the jumper wires, the water sensor, and the LCD, which we can use to display the output in the water level of our exercise.
The water sensor display how high and low and the numeral range detected. When the sensor is out of the water, the LCD will display empty.
Good day, sir. I am here to present our water sensor with LCD code. This function is called once at the beginning of the program and initialize the LCD display and turns on the backlight. This line of code int level equals analog read. This line reads the analog value from pin AO and stores it in the level variable. LCD.set cursor, LCD.print, LCD.print level. This block sets the cursor to the first row and column, prints the string level followed by the current level value, and then clears any remaining characters on the line. Serial println level. This line prints the current level value to the serial console. And we use the if-else statement. This block checks the level value and prints the corresponding status, empty, low, medium, or high, to the LCD displayed. Delay 1000. This line introduces a delay of 1000 milliseconds or 1 second before the loop function is called again.